Okay, the next thing is video review. So I'm going to give you the input on video review, which will be your next assignment. So this slide is already on your e-learning. You can refer to that. Review. So what does it mean to review something? Okay, to review something means to look back over something for evaluation. You look on something to evaluate. Okay, to review of a book or movie, for instance, often evaluates the work in question based on its strong and weak points. Okay, you can read this on your own. It is always ended with a recommendation. Okay, what are the examples of reviewing? There are many actually examples of reviewing. Okay, number one, the review of book or movie which evaluates its strong and weak points. Number two, a doctor might review your medical record to help diagnose your sickness. And number three, if your boss wants to give you a review, she wants to look over the history of your job performance. Okay, that is for working environment. And number four, a review to compare between two products which come from two rival brands. Okay, to compare. Also, we use a review. What do you do when you review something? There are 6 things that you need to consider when you want to review something. Number one, of course, first of all, you need to introduce the topic, the item, the products, the service, the place, or whatsoever. Number two, by describing, you describe. Number three, analyze. And number four, criticize. 5, you compliment. And 6, you give rate or give your personal opinion. Okay, how to introduce? Okay, these are the points. Okay, you need to start with introductions. Number 2, describe, list the key features. Number 3 is by analyzing, what you should do when you analyze. Number 4, criticizing. If you see any drawbacks or disadvantages, you may want to give a constructive criticism. Okay, number 5 is complimenting. If you see any benefits, advantages of the thing, so you can compliment. Number 6, giving personal opinions. So what you need to do. What are other things to consider besides all the 6 items just now? Okay, so be unbiased and objective. Know the product inside out. You first need to really understand the things that you're going to talk about. Okay, list the pros and the cons. Provide practical examples. The extra things that you need to do when reviewing. So the conclusion. Product reviews are not the easiest type of post to compose. Okay, be unbiased. Remember, honest, in-depth reviews that place the interest of the readers ahead of your own will definitely be highly valued by the audience. Okay, here I've prepared 5 samples of video review. You can have a look at it because you will have activity after this. Okay. So choose one video from the samples, identify what are being compared in the videos. So examples, is it the size? Do the reviewer talks about the price or design or weight, exterior look, performance, manufacturer, colors available, brand perception, and so on. Okay, you can even add more of your own perceptions. So here are the 5 samples that I have prepared for all of you. And after you have watched and identify the things that being compared in the video, you need to submit to me the answer. Okay, the list of your answers.